Good evening.
Yeah, good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening. Happy Dasara to all.
Happy Dasara.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Dasara.
Thank you. Fine, let's start today's session. Okay. So, welcome to my fifth batch, first session in evening. Okay, welcome to you all. I'm sharing my desktop. So please let me know once you see my desktop. Able to see my desktop?
Yes,
we
can.
Yes, sir. Yeah, it's visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, first of all, I welcome you all to my Informatica training. This is the fifth batch, first session in evening. Morning one session is already over from 9:30 to 11:30. So today is the second session, that is evening. Whatever I tell on morning, same thing will be repeated in evening, 7:30 to 9:30. Okay. So let me introduce myself. This is Natraj. People call me Raj. So I am from Andhra Pradesh, Hindupur. I settled in Bangalore from maybe 13, 14 years. I have total 11 years of experience into Informatica. Complete, I have 11 years into Informatica. Currently, I am working in Bangalore and I am working in Informatica Power Center currently. Okay. So this is about myself. Okay. So before going to the session, before going to the topics, okay, let's discuss all those things. Okay. So on the daily basis, you will get the link.
Hi.
Yes, please.
I can't hear you clearly.
Others, are you able to hear me, please?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yes,
Unable to?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Who is unable to hear? Who is that?
Now I can hear you clearly.
Okay. If you are unable to hear, please rejoin again. Okay. Disconnect and
Okay.
rejoin again.
Okay.
Yeah, sure. So before that, so you will get the Zoom link for evening for next one week, 1.5 week until people will be joining for a week. Okay. So tomorrow, day after tomorrow, after 3 days, 4 days, they will be joining. So what I will be doing is I'll be sending the Zoom link to your email IDs. Okay. Please check your Zoom email ID. Okay, at 5 p.m. Okay, 5 o'clock evening, you please check. Okay. If you didn't get it, okay, you ask me, I will send it to you. Don't check at 7:30 because I will also be hurry in joining the class. Okay. So don't check at 7 o'clock. You please check at 5 o'clock at least your email IDs. Okay. So your email IDs, you please check it out. And if you unable to get if you didn't get the link, then ask me, I will send the link to you. And please join the Zoom meeting in laptop only. Okay. Please don't join in mobiles. If you join in mobiles, the screen will be very less, and whatever I am sharing, you will be unable to see that. Okay, it will be not visible properly. So please join on the laptops. Okay, and the thing is, this is my fifth batch. I almost seen 120 to 130 people. Okay, so first batch I started with day one. I started with 8 people. Okay, and then they have referred others. Okay, they like my training. They have referred others. First batch has completed with 25 people, second batch 36 people. Okay, third batch with 62 people, fourth batch 82 people. Currently 70 plus has joined. Okay, I'm expecting 100 plus in this batch. So what they will do is they'll be sitting in the living room or hall. Okay, and they'll be joining by watching the TV and all. Okay, don't do that. Please take a room, lock the room. Okay, and listen carefully whatever I'm saying. Okay, so the thing is, every class is important. Informatica. So total I'll be taking 30 sessions. Total I'll be taking 30 sessions. Okay. That means every day 2 sessions. Every day 2 hours. Almost 60 to 70 hours I will tell. Okay. Almost 60 to 70 hours I'll tell. Okay. If you miss the first session, you will not understand second session. If you miss first 2, you will not understand third session. Like that. There will be a link between first, second, third, fourth, like that. So please listen carefully while I am saying. Don't practice anything while I am in the class. Don't do anything. Just listen carefully. That's it. If you want to take the notes, take a pen and book and write the notes. Okay. Or you can take the screenshots also, whatever you want. Okay. So that is how our training will go. Okay. And one more thing is, okay. One more thing I wanted to discuss is, okay, here all the people, whatever you people have joined this training for the job purpose or for the knowledge purpose, for the experience purpose, okay, for all those purposes. Okay, people may be joined from BPO background, from testing background, from admin background, from teaching background, from civil background, from other backgrounds also. Okay, ultimately what I wanted is you people you should know after this training, you should not go with empty hands. Whatever the purpose you have joined, okay, you paid for it, you are spending so much of money, you are spending so much of time, okay, you should listen, you should practice, okay, and you should go with full hands. That means whatever the purpose you have joined in this training, you should fulfill that, and you should get the jobs as soon as possible in MNCs with 100% hike. Okay, so the thing is, Informatica, if you listen Informatica 100 times, if you practice 2 times, 100 times listening is equal to 2 times practicing. That is why you have to practice from day 1. Okay, so from Monday the practical sessions will be there. Okay, so from Monday everybody should install Informatica. Okay, you should practice. Okay, you must practice. There is no shortcut for practice in Informatica, please. If you want to get the jobs as soon as possible, if you want the knowledge as soon as possible, if you want to work in your projects, once you join in any company, if you join the project, if you want to work in the project individually without any support, you have to practice. And for this, at least our session will take 35 days to 45 days. Okay, our complete maximum 45 days. Okay, I will not extend more than that. It may end 37th or 38th day also. Okay, so I am saying maximum 40 days. Please practice well in these 40 days. Okay, after that your life will be easy. If you don't practice, if you just listen, then you have to get the support. Okay, and getting the support is not easy nowadays. Everybody are asking the support, but my candidates who joined in my training, okay, whoever practiced well, they got 100% hikes. Okay, they got more than 4-5 offers, and they are working individually without anybody supports currently. Okay, so why I am saying again and again, people are ignoring the practice. Okay, they will join the session, they will listen, and they will ignore the practice, and they will suffer. Okay, so the thing is, you have to practice. There is no shortcut for practice, please. Okay, practice. Okay, now coming to the system requirements. Okay, if you want to install Informatica, okay, you should have at least 6 GB RAM. You should have at least 6 GB RAM. Okay, should have at least 6 GB RAM. If you have 4 GB RAM, take the laptop to showroom, laptop to the laptop shop, and ask them to check your RAM accordingly. You take one more 4 GB RAM and install it. Okay, so that 8 GB RAM will be recommended. Okay, instead of 6 GB RAM. If you have 6 GB RAM, no need to change it. Let it be. Informatica can install in 6 GB RAM. But if you have 4 GB RAM, okay, don't install it. Okay, just take it to laptop shop and please install it. Okay, one more 4 GB RAM, upgrade it. Okay, now in this training we'll be discussing about Informatica 10.2.0. Okay, so if you have 9.6.1, if it is working, so let it be. Don't uninstall it. Okay, don't uninstall it. If you have 9.6.1 already, okay, if you want to install it, first uninstall it, please. What are the common mistakes people are doing is, okay, they are not uninstalling. They are having 9.6.1 in their system, but they are not uninstalling it. They are directly installing 10.2.0. If you have Informatica, if you have Oracle already in your system, if you try to install it, it will give an error. It will not install. Okay, so please uninstall properly. How to uninstall? Just go to control panel. You search with control panel, because these are the common mistakes people are doing from past 1 week. I am seeing. So that is why. So go to control panel, go to programs and features. Okay, first uninstall completely. Don't delete the folders, please. Uninstall completely. What and all you need to uninstall? Informatica 9.6.1 if you have it, Informatica 9.6.1 client, and also Oracle. Okay, all you uninstall it. Okay, uninstall it. Delete the folders which you installed in C drive or D drive. Then restart your system. Okay, then after restarting your system, please start the fresh installation. Almost everybody, I sent the link of the Google Drive links for the software, and also I have created my own video. Okay, that is in YouTube. Okay, I will send the link of that YouTube to you. Okay, you can see that step-by-step procedure, and you can install Informatica in your system. If you are unable to install Informatica, please tell me or text me. I will help you wherever you're stuck. Okay, that is how our training will go. Okay, next please. Next is, okay, so what and all we'll be discussing in this training. What and all you will get in this training. Okay, after completion of training, you will be getting Informatica 10.2.0 basics and advanced. Okay, you will be getting just WhatsApp me. Okay, WhatsApp me that you want the link, then I will send the link to you. Okay, so no problem. So Informatica 10.2.0 basics to advanced. Okay, so all real-time concepts, as I told you, I don't have any institute. I don't have any institute, and I am not a trainer who train in institutes. Okay, I am having I am having almost 11 years of experience into Informatica. I know. Okay, maybe you people are joined here for what 1+ experience or 2+ or 3+ 4+ you want to try. Okay, so I know what interview questions they will ask in 1+ or 2+ 3+ 4+, and based on that I will give the training to you. Okay, what and all we require. Okay, what and all we require for get the job as soon as possible, what and all we require to work in the real time without anybody support. That is what our training is. It is job based, project based. You will never see my PPTs or whatever I used in the class. You never seen those in the YouTube. Okay, you can ask me if you find anything in the YouTube, you can ask me. Okay, so there is whatever I tell you, that is not the YouTube content. First of all, that is not any other's content. That is my own content which I prepared. I did so much of hard work for first batch. I did the content. That is what I am sharing with you. Okay, so what and all we will learn Informatica 10.2.0 basics to advanced, and Oracle basics, whichever is required for Informatica, Unix commands basics. Okay, DWH concepts, data warehousing concepts, and I will ask you to do a real-time mini project. Okay, and interview questions on a daily basis I will be asking you. I will give the interview questions as a document to you, and also I'll prepare the resume for you, and I will tell you how to crack the interview, how to answer the questions in the easiest way in the interview, how to answer the real-time questions, how to face the client interview, all those things. And once you go inside, once you get the job, once you assign to a project, Informatica project, what and all you need to ask, how to manage the project, all these things will be covered in this training. That is why I am taking 2 hours per day. It's 1 hour means nothing I can share to you. Okay, so if it is 2 hours means, okay, so I can share more things with you, I can cover more topics. Okay, that is my intention. Okay, that is about what and all we will learn in this training. Next one is coming to the recordings. People are asking the recordings for me. Okay, I am giving a clarification on recordings, please. The recordings, okay, the problem with the recordings is if I share my recordings, okay, if the recordings are out for the next batch, nobody will join. Number 2, if I give the whole session recording to you, you will never learn anything. I have seen people, they will be seeing the recording and they will be doing in the system. If you do like this, nothing will come. In real time, nobody will give the recordings. Okay, you have to do individually. You have to practice individually, please. Okay, so what I am saying, first session to 7th session, I will give the recordings by default to you. You will get an email. Okay, but because you will be new to Informatica, you will be having some confusions while connecting, while creating the ODBC connections, while creating the relation connections, all those things you will be having some confusion. That's why first 2 session, almost 7 mappings will be completed to 7th session. Okay, so once you are familiar with all these things, you have to work individually. Okay, so apart from that, what I will send on the daily basis, I will send on the daily basis whatever I am showing you in the class. Okay, today, see today's notes. Morning I have in front of them only, I typed it, while evening the same thing I am reusing. That's it. Okay, I will send this, I will send the PPT on the daily basis. You will get a zip file. Okay, you will get a zip file like this. If I show you batch 4, you will get a zip file like this. Evening people, evening zip file. Morning people, morning zip file we will get. Okay, what and all I will show you, like any notes in the Excel sheet, any queries I will, any tables I create, any data in the tables, DDLs, DMLs. Okay, all those things, PPTs. Okay, everything I will be sending to you. Okay, like this mapping document. Okay, what is router transformation? What is Oracle order by? Queries used in the session. Okay, source and tables. Okay, all those things in the daily basis, you will get a zip file like this. Okay, with the date, what is the topic, what is the session, which session it is, you will get it. Okay, please save it in your laptop and keep it safe, please. Okay, I have seen many people, okay, who are asking for my material. Okay, they have asked outside people, they have asked in WhatsApp groups or Telegram groups, my batch candidates, first batch, second batch, third batch, fourth batch candidates, can you give the recordings of Raj training, we can pay it for you, or can you give the PPTs? Okay, so these PPTs, whatever the PPTs I am showing you, that has done myself. Okay, that has written by myself. Okay, otherwise I took the screenshots from net maybe. Okay, but whatever you are required, I prepared it already. Okay, please, it is you paid for it. Don't make free to others. Okay, keep it with yourself. Okay, and use it. Okay, don't share it to others. Okay, don't share it to others, my videos and also my material. Okay, that is the one clarification about videos and PPTs. Okay, and one more thing, please. Okay, so here we are learning Informatica 10.2.0. Okay, so people are joined here for 1 plus or 2 plus or 3 plus or 4 plus. They wanted to try. Okay, after this training, they wanted to put experience of 1 plus, they wanted to put experience of 2 plus, they wanted to put experience of 3 plus or 4 plus. Okay, whatever it is. Okay, so you can easily get the job, I am saying, because people, almost 40 people from all the batches, almost whoever practiced well, whoever tried well, all are got jobs. Almost 40 plus candidates from my training, I can proudly say that they got the jobs. Okay, when they joined with my training, they don't know what is what, they don't know what is stable also, but now they are doing successfully without having any support. Okay, so what I'm saying is Informatica is very easy. Number one, if you compare to Python, if you compare to Java, if you compare to .NET, if you compare to AWS, if you compare to any other thing, okay, Informatica is very easy. Okay, so I will make for you easy. Okay, don't worry at all. When it is easy, when you practice. If you don't practice, okay, then it will be blank for you. That's it. So please practice well. Okay, and why I'm saying easy is, maybe in this training few people are BE BTech, they have completed, few people completed MCA, few people completed MBA, few people completed BSc or BCA. Okay, so in BE or BTech you will be having 50 plus subjects, in MCA 36 plus subjects, in MBA 24 plus subjects, BSc or BCA 15. So you are understood all the subjects, you written the exam and you passed with distinction or first class or whatever it is. But here we are learning only 3 subjects, just Informatica, Oracle, Unix. More into Informatica, okay, not more into Oracle, but still Oracle also will cover, Unix very less. So just two or three subjects. So it is very easy for you, I'm saying. Okay, when you practice, simple. Okay, so please practice well, don't ignore. Okay, so you can easily get the jobs. I will make you to get the jobs when you follow me, whatever I say. If you follow me, you will get the jobs for sure. Okay, and next thing is, if you know Oracle already, Informatica is very easy. Okay, because almost Informatica will be using Oracle concepts only. Oracle SQL, if you know, it will be easy. If you don't know, no problem. If you don't know anything in Oracle, no problem. I will teach you what is Oracle from scratch. Okay, from zero Oracle, from zero Informatica, from zero Unix. Okay, I'll be telling all those things to you. Okay, so what I'm saying is, if you know Oracle SQL already, Informatica is easy for you. If you don't know, remove your mind, remove the thing in your mind that Oracle SQL is easy. Oracle SQL is tough. It is very difficult to learn Oracle SQL. It is very difficult to write the Oracle queries. No, it is very easy to write SQL. Okay, it is very easy to write SQL queries. Okay, so please remove all those in your minds. Okay, please come with a fresh mind, learn it, what I'm saying, practice it, finish, get the jobs, work on it. That's it. Okay, so leave. If you don't know Oracle, if you don't know Informatica, if you don't know Unix, if you don't have communication skills, no problem, please. Okay, but communication skills are also important. I'm not saying that you should I'm not what I'm saying, I'm not taking hi-fi English. Okay, communication means, if you talk with each other, they should understand your language and you should understand their language. That is called communication. Okay, so you may not see, there is no guarantee that I should speak hi-fi language in your office. No, but you should speak English only. Okay, people will expect you to speak English in offices. If you don't know communication, more into communication, no problem, please. Okay, from today at least, speak with your family members in English, or with your friends in English. Okay, English will come by, communication will come by speaking only, not listening, not reading, not watching, whatever it is. It will come by speaking only. Try to speak whatever it is, whether it is a, see, suppose you want to ask a doubt here. Okay, you can ask whatever the language. See, English, you ask me in a simple English. Okay, I can understand your English. If you don't know how to, also you try to speak in English, ask the doubts in English here. Okay, so that is how you should give the importance to communication skills also. Okay, maybe who are already working, for them it may get bored, because I don't have any option, because people are there who don't know what is what. Okay, that's why I'm explaining everything to you. Okay, so that is how our training will be now. Okay, till now any doubts, please? Any doubts till now, please?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Raj, one question.
No, sir.
Yeah, go ahead, please.
In case like we are doing some assignment or any.
Can you speak louder?
Okay, is my voice audible?
It's
Is
still
my voice
low.
clear? Is it better now?
Yeah, tell me.
Okay, so in case like if we are creating a mapping or we learn some concepts and we are practicing and we got error. So how is the support like going to be so that we can fix our ETL jobs here?
I'll tell that. I'll come to
Mhm.
I'll come to there. Okay.
Okay.
You can text me. Okay. That's why I'm giving at the first 1 to session 1 to 7. I am giving the videos. Okay, because you will be having some doubts. Okay, at the first sessions, I will tell you what I will do. Okay. So once today's session is over, okay, what I will do is normally from 4th batch I implemented that. Okay, we have almost I'm expecting 80 plus at least in this training. Okay, maybe it may go 100 plus also. Okay, morning 50, evening 50 they will join. Okay, if all the 100 people if ask me, I cannot help them. Okay, so what I will do is 5 people. Okay, you send your free time. Okay, on the daily basis I will be free from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. Okay, or I will be free from 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. Individually you send the timings to me on the on daily. This time will be I'm free tentative times. Okay, what I will do is I will create 5 or 6 members in a group. I'll create a group based on their free timings, and I will create a WhatsApp group. Number one, the WhatsApp group will be whole WhatsApp group will be there. One WhatsApp group for all entire 5th batch, and six people, 6 or 7 people, I will create a WhatsApp group. Okay, what they will do after my class, they will practice. Whoever in the group, they will share a Zoom link to others in the WhatsApp. Okay, in their respective WhatsApp groups. Suppose group 1, okay, group 1, group 2, group 3, like this 10 to 12 groups I will create. Okay, once I create the groups, what you do is, okay, they will work as a team. Okay, what they will do is they will, after my training, okay, group 1 people, there are 6 people, suppose all people will be, because based on their free timing, those groups I will create. All those people will be free at the time. That time what they will do, they will create a Zoom link and share it to others in the WhatsApp. Okay, and one guy will be sharing the desktop like me, and he will be doing the mapping. Other 5 people will be seeing that, and if we do any doubts, they will correct. Okay, after completion, the other people will do. Okay, if they are doing any mistakes, you have to correct it. Like that, you people will help yourself. Okay, why I am creating these 2 groups is, when you go to projects, when you go to company, when you go to your office projects, you have to work teamwork you should do. Correct, you should work individually, but still you should do teamwork. You should communicate with team members. Okay, you should respect your team members. All those things you should do. For that you can practice here. The same thing, I will create the groups. In that groups, what you need to do is, okay, you have to speak English only, number 1. Okay, and you have to practice on the daily basis. Today's mapping you should complete by today itself, so that your communication skills will improve, your team building will improve, and your questions also will be answered, or your doubts will be answered in the session. Suppose all the 6 people is unable to resolve one issue, then you ping me, then I will help you. Okay, that is how it will go. 4th batch I started this, they successfully doing that. Okay, and they are really working hard. Okay, in the 4th batch. Okay, and maybe from next week they will place the resumes once I give the resumes to them. Okay, so they will try for the jobs. Okay, so that is how these groups will work. Okay, and also what I will do is, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 batches, almost 120 people are there. I have already asked them, you can refer, if you have any references in your offices after you join, you can refer 5th batch people. And also whenever they attend the interview, they will note down the interview questions in a notepad or book, and they will send a screenshot to me, or they will send a photo to me. I'll be sending all those things to you people. Okay, like that you have to do for your next batch. Like that, help will be there for sure. Okay, you will be getting more and more interview questions. Okay, so on the daily basis also, I will be asking more and more interview questions. Okay, all the help, whatever you are required, whatever you are expecting, I will give more than that. Simple. I will always exceed your expectation. Okay, whatever that you have not seen this kind of training, okay, anywhere. I am proudly saying that because this is not my first batch. The people I got the feedback after 1 week or 10 days, I will ask the feedback. I will ask the feedbacks each and every one. I will ping you each and every one, and I will ask how is my training? Is there any improvements for my training? Are you practicing well? Are you facing any difficulties? All those things I will ask each and everybody. Okay. Okay. Based on that, based on feedback, I'm proudly saying that, okay, nowhere you will get this kind of training. I'm saying, okay, nowhere means nowhere. Simple. Okay, because everywhere it will be 1 hour training. In 1 hour, people will be joining for first 15 minutes, 45 minutes, nothing they can tell. Okay, and they'll be telling whatever is just high level. That's it. Whatever you are seeing YouTube, okay, the same thing they will be telling. That no need to join the training. You can see in the YouTube itself. But here it is not like that. If I take a topic, I will be going in depth about the topic. I'll be covering everything about the topic. Everything means everything. Okay. And on the topic, what are the interview questions you may get, I will be telling. On the topic, okay, suppose if I tell about aggregated transformation, suppose dynamic lookup transformation, where you will use in real time, what are the interview questions you may get from the dynamic lookup, what are the important interview questions you may get it. So like that our training will go. Okay, so that is how my training. So what I am saying is I will give more than what you ask. Okay, the only thing I want is I want practice from you. That's it. Okay, only practice. I want only thing from you is practice. That's it. Should not, because I have seen many people, okay, they have joined the course. Really, they have joined for the job. Okay, 1 or 2 days, fine. They will learn, they will listen carefully, they will practice. After 3-4 days, I don't know what will happen. They will ignore the practice. Maybe because they are busy with their work, they are busy with their other things. But still, okay, I'm not asking you to do hard work more year or 2 years, right? Just 1 month, 35 to 45 days, finish. Okay, maybe it is like a college lecture. I don't mind whether you feel this is as a like a teacher or a lecturer saying the same thing. Fine, whatever it is, I want you people to get the jobs as soon as possible. Okay, I want to fulfill the whatever they have came here to learn or to get the job. Okay, they should fulfill their whatever the needs. Okay, that is about my training. Any doubts, please?
I have one question, Raj. Can you please put your email ID and a phone number in the chat? I don't have any, so that I can send you my email and phone number.
Sure,
because yeah, I don't have your contact details because I was in touch with Pawan. So can you put your mail and email ID and phone number in the chat so that I can save it? And okay, thank you. I'll send you my email ID then.
0529. This is my training number.
Okay.
05296858. This is my main number. Okay. So 9113861544 is my main number. 8105296858 is my training number. Okay. You can call to any number, but always WhatsApp me in this number. Okay. So
okay. Thank you.
WhatsApp this number, please WhatsApp me. Okay, so that you will get the update from this number always. Okay, and if you don't pick the call about on 8105296858, you can call me 9113861544. Okay, any number you can reach. Okay, any doubts, please?
Thank you.
Yeah, any doubts, please? Others? So you got how my training will be. You got it. That's why I have asked you to join on 7:50 itself. Okay, so that 7:30 sharp we will start our session. If I ask you to join on 7:30, you people will be joining at 7:45 or 7:50 it may goes. Okay, so always see your Gmails, see your emails on 5 o'clock. If you don't get the Zoom link of that days, next 2 weeks only. Okay, After that, I will directly send the Zoom link to WhatsApp group. Okay. Maybe I'll be creating the WhatsApp group on day after tomorrow, Saturday or Sunday. Any one day I will create the WhatsApp group. I'll be adding all you people to in WhatsApp group. Actually, I am planning to create a WhatsApp group for my all students, all my first batch, second batch, third batch, fourth batch, fifth batch, so that you can help each other. Okay, because they'll be doing the job. First batch, almost all people are doing the jobs. Okay, first batch. Okay, so they can refer you. Okay, they can contact, you can contact them, you can make friends with them. Okay, like it will be like I have group of bunch of people on working on Informatica only. You will not find these many people who are working on the same technology. You never find this kind of WhatsApp group anywhere. Okay, you will get the WhatsApp groups, okay, public WhatsApp groups, but you may not know who are they. But here I know those people. Okay, you will not have any problems with those people. They will be always helping you. Okay, I reshape them like what they will help you for sure. Okay, all are my friends. Okay, and they will become your friends also. Okay, coming to the last point. Okay, see why I am saying again and again like this is, okay, I have in the first batch, second, third, fourth batch. Okay, leave about fourth batch. Still they did not write 1, 2, 3. Okay, there are many people came from BPO background. Okay, yes, please. Unix basics. Yeah, I have seen, right? These and all will be covered. Okay, Informatica, Oracle basics, Unix basics. Okay, all these things, whichever is required for you. Okay, is required for you. Okay, those things I'll be covering. Okay, so one more thing I wanted to discuss with you is so from first batch, okay, there are many people who came from BPO background. Okay, they are having 3+ experience into BPO. Okay, but they don't know what is Informatica. They came here, they learned here, they practiced here, they shown the same experience as Informatica developer experience, and they are doing the jobs successfully now. Okay, so they selected in the first interview itself. Okay, because they practiced well. And I have seen people in my batches who got 4 or 5 offer letters also. Okay, 4 or 5. One example I can tell. Okay, there is one guy called Sai Mohan from first batch. Okay, he is having 5.5 years experience into Informatica support. He is having Informatica support experience. Okay, but not development experience. He is having 5.5 years experience. His package is 9.5. Okay, so what he has done is he has searched for the job. He has practiced well in my training. Okay, and he got 16 lakh in HCL first. Then he got 19 lakhs in Cognizant. He got 22 lakh in Genpact. Okay, then he called me. He is having Society General on that day. He asked me how much should I ask for Society General. I told him to ask 24, but they gave him 28 lakhs with 2 lakh joining bonus. 28 lakh with 2 lakh joining bonus. His current package was 9.5 with 5.5 experience. He got 28 lakh. Okay, so next month he is joining. He got the offer maybe 15 days. In 15 days he is joining. Okay, so if he work 10 years also, he will not get 28 lakh. Okay, in the same company. And there is one girl called Sushma. Okay, if I tell about others, okay, Deepti, she is from BPO background. Okay, she came here, she tried for 3+ with the same BPO experience, but she changed his experience that yes, I have worked in Amazon BPO. Okay, I joined as Amazon BPO, but in the Amazon there was a software wing. I worked in Informatica there. Like that, he managed her experience with the same company, and she got 3+. She practiced well, and then what she did is, okay, she got the first interview only, she selected within the 45 minutes or one hour interview. She got selected, and now she is working on Cognizant. Like that, many examples are there. Ranjana got 4 offer letters. Sushma got 4 offer letters. Okay, Ranjana got 200% hike. Sushma got almost 150% hike. All 40 people are joined already. Okay, all people are got almost 100% hikes. Few people got 150, 200% hikes. Few people got 4 offer letters, 5 offer letters, 2, 3. Everybody they got it. What I am saying is you should practice well. That's it. Okay, when you practice well, you go to the interview, you will feel the difference. I'm saying for sure. Okay, so that is how my training will be. Okay, so coming to the Oracle, you whatever, see again, any training 100% will not cover. If you want to cover 100%, it will take a year. Okay, I will cover whatever you wanted to get a job. I will cover whatever. Suppose if I take Oracle, Oracle basics I will tell. Basics means from DDL to DML, DCL. Okay, then I will tell what is where condition, like operator, all those things. Okay, then I will tell what is order by, different types of order by, group by. Okay, what you will tell group by. Then what are types of, what are the primary key, foreign key, keys, joins, set operators, indexes, views, all those things I will cover. These are the things we require for Informatica. But apart from that, you should learn more things. I will tell how to learn more things. If you have any doubts, I am there for you anyways. Okay. So not only my training, you should think out of the box. Okay. You take it whatever I am giving in my training and you learn more things from Google. Okay. If you have any doubt, I am there for you. Okay. That is how you should learn. Okay. That is about these things. Any other doubts, please? Any other doubts?
No, sir.
Others, please. Any other doubts?
No.
Okay. Now we'll get into subject.
No, Raj, no,
Okay.
thanks.
These are all the generic things I told you. Now we'll get into subject. Okay. So now what we are learning here? Okay. We are learning here Informatica. Okay. We are learning here Informatica Power Center. Okay. In this training, we are learning Informatica Power Center. What is Informatica? Where we will use Informatica? Why we will use Informatica? How we will use Informatica? Everything will be covered. Okay. So now we are learning about Informatica Power Center. In this training, we are learning Informatica Power Center. Okay. Informatica Power Center. Okay. Informatica has different tools called MDM, BDM, MDM. Okay. IDQ, TDM. Okay, and ILM, or many things are there in Informatica, but here we are learning Informatica Power Center. Okay, Informatica Power Center is basics for all other Informatica tools. For Informatica, there are Informatica Cloud. If I show you here, okay, these are the different Informatica tools: Informatica Cloud, Informatica ILM, Informatica BDM, Informatica Master Data Management, Test Data Management, IDQ. To learn any other tool in Informatica, Informatica Power Center is the basics. First, they invented Informatica Power Center. Then they invented many things. From 20 years, Informatica is there. Okay, they told that Informatica, okay, the boom will go for Informatica. From 20 years, they are saying, but still every major, almost all companies are using Informatica. Okay, so Talent is there, DataStage is there.
May I have a question?
Yeah, please go ahead.
So do you cover MDM and IDQ also?
No, only Informatica Power Center. MDM is a different subject.
Only Informatica.
IDQ is a different subject. Okay, it will take again 2 months or 1.5 months at least for learning Informatica MDM, for learning Informatica IDQ. Here will be only learning on Informatica Power Center.
Okay.
We'll be learning only Informatica Power Center. Okay, so in the Informatica Power Center, the Informatica Power Center is the basics to learn any other Informatica tool. If you don't know Informatica Power Center, it is very difficult to learn Informatica Cloud. It is very difficult to learn IDQ. It is very difficult to learn MDM also. Okay. Now, after this training, okay, what kind of job you will search for? You need to search as a Informatica developer. We are all Informatica developers. Okay. There are 2 types of jobs in Informatica. One is Informatica admin. Another is Informatica developer. Okay, Informatica admin, we are not covering. Informatica developer, okay, we are all Informatica developers. Okay, our role when you got the jobs after this training, when you go to projects, they'll be giving a role called Informatica developer. You have to develop Informatica mappings, workflows, sessions. Okay, that is about Informatica. You are all Informatica developers. You people are Informatica developers. Okay, no need to. And if you are learning Informatica Cloud, that is now we are Informatica Power Center developers. Informatica Power Center developers. If you got an opportunity to work on Informatica Cloud, you are an Informatica Cloud developer. Okay, that is how this one. Okay, so now next is, so before coming to Informatica, okay, why we will use Informatica is there is a concept called data warehouse. Okay, whatever we are doing the projects, those are all called.
Can I have a question?
Yes, please.
Can I have a question?
Yeah. Yes, please.
So after Informatica, will you be able to give training for others like I mean IDQ or MDM also? Because
currently I don't have time to do that. You are seeing.
Okay.
Morning almost.
I'm just asking. I'm asking just like are you you doing any other
No, I'm
training
not.
for
No,
those?
no,
I'm just asking.
no.
No. You are just only
I'm just
handling
yeah.
Informatica
Power
right
center.
now.
Power center.
Yeah,
yes.
okay. Because no, in the market, in Zooming market, many of the companies are asking like IDQ and MDM and BDM, and so I heard like that having
But
the
see, again,
huge
I
opportunities.
got
And
your
of
point.
course, Informatica is the first thing. That's why because I was asking. Are you covering any another session after Informatica? That's why I'm asking.
See, I will cover Informatica Cloud. Okay, I will show you once in one session after class. I will show you how Informatica Cloud is, how to do a mapping in Informatica Cloud, how can you learn yourself Informatica Cloud, so that in your all resumes you can put strong knowledge on Informatica Cloud. Okay, you can put it. But MDM IDQ I did not work on till now. IDQ I did not work on. MDM I did not work on. But I worked on Informatica Cloud. Okay, very less experience I have in Informatica Cloud, but more experience into Informatica Power Center. So I will show you in one session how to install Informatica Cloud, how to work on Informatica Cloud, how to learn Informatica Cloud. One session I can show you. That I can show you. But as you are saying, I have. Tell me.
Does it takes much time to learn cloud and all?
Yeah, it is a vast topic. Cloud is having many things. Yes, it will take 2 months to learn cloud itself. Okay, so but no need to learn. Okay, you are having more opportunities on Informatica itself. Okay, yes, there are more opportunities on cloud also, but Informatica Power Center also there are more opportunities. Okay,
of course, what you said is right, but the thing is like the companies expect like they, even if they don't have requirement also, they supposed to ask like MDM, IDQ, BDM, are you done with cloud? We don't know whether they have the requirement or not, but they keep on asking such kind of questions in the whatever to schedule or to do interview or some other things. That was the case. I am asking like so is that mandatory to learn all those things, or else whatever we know is that is enough? Enough?
Not
like
required, because
we don't know actually whether they have the requirement or I don't know. Some are seriously having with the IDQ or MDM or BDM, but the questions is like raising like that. That's what
I got your point.
I got a doubt. Is that enough with the? Okay, yeah.
I got your point, but people are working in Informatica Power Center itself. My batch candidates only, from first batch and second batch, they are working in Power Center only. I did not show them. At least I am saying that I will show you people how Informatica Cloud is, but I did not cover Informatica Cloud for them. Okay, but they got the jobs and they are doing. You tell that. If they ask you, tell that no, I don't have experience. Simple. Okay, but in your resume, I will.
But we can after getting in, we could manage with
no,
our Power
you
Center
cannot.
experience.
You cannot manage. No. See, one thing I will tell all those things in the later point of view, later point of time. Okay. So how you want to manage? If they give, suppose you are interviewed for Informatica, they have given Informatica Cloud project. Then what you need to do on the first day itself, you should tell them that I don't have experience on Informatica Cloud. I interviewed for Informatica Power Center. I am expecting an Informatica project. If you want to work on Informatica Cloud, please give me the training. So give me the training, give me the overview, I can work on it. Like that you should manage. I will tell how to manage later. But as of now, not required to learn all those things. Okay. If you learn all those things, you will confuse and you cannot answer the questions also. Okay. So learn Informatica Power Center very well. Be proficient in Informatica Power Center and get an idea of Informatica Cloud. You put your resume that strong knowledge on Informatica Cloud. That is more than enough. If they ask you, you tell that no, I don't have experience on MDM or IDQ, whatever it is, not required at all. Okay. Maybe this answered your question. Okay. Now we'll go to our topics. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So now what I'm saying is, so whatever once we get a job, okay, we'll go to a project, right? Those are all called data warehousing projects. Okay. What is data warehouse? What are the data warehousing concepts? I will tell later point of. I will cover later point of time. Okay. But data warehouse, all are whatever we are doing the projects by using Informatica, all are data warehouse projects. Okay. Data warehouse is a concept. Okay. And also this data warehouse also called as business intelligence. Okay, they will call as business intelligence. They will call as a data warehouse project, or they will call as a BI project, business intelligence project. Maybe they will call as a data warehousing project, or they may call as business intelligence project. Okay, so what data warehouse is a concept. Data warehouse is a concept. Okay, data warehouse is divided into two parts. Okay, data warehouse is divided into two parts. What is the two parts? Data warehouse or BI is divided into two parts. One is ETL, one is reporting. Okay, what is ETL? ETL, what is ETL? I will cover in depth about ETL. Extract, transform, and load will cover in depth. But as of now, there are two categories in the data warehouse. Okay, what are those? ETL and reporting. ETL tools. What are ETL tools? Informatica Power Center, Data Stage, Talent, SSIS, Ab initio. All those things are ETL tools. Reporting tools, if I come, Power BI, Cognos, Tableau, MicroStrategy, OBIE, all those things are the reporting tools. Okay, as an Informatica developer, okay, we will do ETL process. We will do ETL process. People will ask me whether you will be teaching ETL or Informatica. That is wrong. Okay, so what it is? ETL is a concept. I can say Android is a concept. Okay, for an example, XS, it is an operating system, but it is a concept. Android can be used in OnePlus mobile, used in Samsung mobile, used in other mobile also. Same way, ETL is a concept. ETL concept we will using in Informatica, or by using Informatica we will do ETL. By using Data Stage we can do ETL. By using Talent also we can do ETL. ETL technologies, ETL is a concept. Okay, we will implement ETL concepts by using ETL tools called Informatica Power Center, Data Stage, Ab initio, SSIS, okay, Talent, all those things will be there. Okay, as an Informatica developer, we will do the ETL tools. We'll do the ETL tools. Okay, now coming to the data warehouse. Okay, so mainly what we will do in the data warehouse. Okay, before that, we'll go to the database. So what is database, please? Anybody? What is database? Anybody, what is the database?
Collection of tables.
Okay, next.
Collection of data in tables in the format of
tables. Okay, next. Any others, please?
XML files.
Sorry?
CSV.
Collection of
Data in
similar
the
data.
format of table, XML file, and all.
Okay, a database is a collection of data. Okay, a database is a collection of data in table format. What is data? Anybody, please?
Collection of
Collection of
information.
information.
Okay, what kind of data we have?
different files like
What kind of
Platforms,
data we have?
relational.
There are three types of data. So one is structured data, second is, I guess, unstructured data, and third is semi-structured. In structure, we could say that the data is available in the form of table in a right way, which could be understood easily. Unstructured may be related to the XML files or PDF files, and semi-structured are related to, I mean, something like data files and flat files, I guess.
Who is this? What is the name? I am seeing Lenovo.
Manoj Patil.
Manoj Patil. Okay, Manoj. Next time you please join with your name. Okay.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
fine. Yeah. So data is like three types of data we have. Okay. As Manoj has told, there are three types of data. Okay. 1 second, please. Let me show you. Somewhere it is. Give me a second. Yeah, data is three types of data. Okay, one is structured data, semi-structured data, unstructured data. Structured data, semi-structured data, unstructured data. Okay, so structured data in the sense, if it is in the form of table, that is called structured data. Semi-structured data means a delimited flat file. What is a delimited flat file? I will tell later point of time. Okay, that is called semi-structured data. Unstructured data means XML file, audio file, video file, any other files is called unstructured data. Okay, so now to handle the data, we have a database. To handle this data, we will be having database. Database is a collection of data in the form of table. Okay, so what is the table? It is a collection of rows and columns. Rows can be also called as records. Columns are also called as fields or attributes. Okay. So a database is a collection of tables. Okay. What kind of tables it is? Relational tables. Relational tables means what kind of relational tables means in the database all the tables related to each other. Okay. It is not mandatory that they should relate to each other, but they may relate to each other. That is why we will call it as relational tables. We will call it as relational tables. Okay. So database is a collection of relational tables, or the database is a collection of tables. Table is a collection of data in the form of rows and columns, or records and fields, or records and attributes. Okay. That is called database. Any examples of database in real time, please? Any examples of database in real time?
MongoDB.
That is database technologies. I am not asking about the database technologies. I am asking the databases. Yes. Yeah.
Banking, education.
You are asking in terms of application.
Yes. Yes.
Finance.
So it will be banking, shopping, sales,
it will be like employee database, customer database, student database,
insurance also.
Logistics.
Yeah. Any database. Okay.
Yeah.
Insurance database, travel database. All these are the database examples in real time. Now, okay, fine. All these tables are present in the database. How to access these files? How to see the data in the tables? Okay, how to do that? We have database technologies available in the market. There are different database technologies available in the market. What are the database technologies you know? Anybody?
Oracle DB2.
Okay, Oracle DB2. Yes, then
SQL,
MySQL. Anything else?
Teradata.
MongoDB.
We have Oracle, MySQL, SQL Server, Teradata, Greenplum, DB2, FoxPro, MongoDB, Cassandra, okay, Snowflake, Salesforce. All these are databases. Okay, so everywhere tables will be present. Okay, but different people will use different technologies. Okay, so if you learn very good at Oracle, then you can easily do all these things. Okay, so MySQL, SQL Server also will use select star from only. Teradata also will use select star from only. But you should be very clear about one database at least. Okay, so if you are clear at Oracle database, you can there will be syntax, very little syntax different between SQL Server and Oracle different. Maybe architecture is different. Okay, but the query syntax is same, almost same. Teradata. So I don't know Teradata. I know Oracle. Okay, I worked in Teradata without knowing Teradata. I worked on it. Okay, I learned there and I worked on it. So that is how you should learn. Okay, you be clear with. Okay, give equal importance to Informatica and Oracle, please. Okay, don't learn. You should be give equal importance to Oracle SQL and Informatica. Okay, so please don't ignore Oracle SQL. Oracle SQL is very important. Okay, so now in Oracle, what are the two types of languages we have in Oracle? In Oracle, what are the two types of languages?
DDL and UML.
That is different. Okay, basic. Oracle divided into two parts, right? SQL and PLSQL. Okay, what is SQL means?
Query language.
So Oracle is divided into two parts. Okay, now what is Oracle? It is a database. Oracle is a database technology. Okay, so Oracle is divided into SQL and PLSQL. Okay, what is SQL? Structured query language. What is PLSQL? Procedural language. Structured query language. Your voice is breaking. One second. I'm unable to mute her also. Okay, fine. So Oracle is divided into two parts. SQL. Somebody joined with the name Yamini. I'm unable to hear them. Please go on mute, please. Otherwise, rejoin, please. Could you please rejoin? Yeah. Okay. Fine. So we are dealing with Oracle. It's a database. Oracle is having two parts: SQL and PLSQL. Structured query language, procedural language, structured query language. Okay. So now you should learn in depth about SQL. Okay. You should be very good at SQL. PLSQL you are not very good at. Not a problem. Okay. You can 1 + 2 + 3 + 4 +. you can tell that I did not work on PLSQL. Okay. In this training, we'll covering SQL. Okay, but not PLSQL. Okay. If you have interest, you can learn. Okay. But to learning Informatica, PLSQL is not required. Okay. Only one transformation is there, procedure transformation. Okay, that we will tell later. Okay, but still, okay, if you are very good at SQL, if you are very good at Informatica, you can get a job. Okay, if you want to learn PLSQL, you can learn individually, no problem. If you are very good at SQL, it is easy to learn PLSQL. Okay, that is about Oracle. Now, to access Oracle tables, we will be using Oracle SQL Developer or Toad. Okay, in few companies they will use, in few projects they will use Oracle SQL Developer. Few people they will use Toad. Okay, Toad will be from some other company, Quest company, I guess. Oracle SQL Developer is from that company. Okay, so we'll be using Oracle SQL Developer or Toad. Okay, for that purpose. Okay. Now coming to this one. Okay, so coming to this slide. Okay, coming to this slide. So now we'll come to the ETL now. Okay, ETL means extract, transform, and load. As I told you, data warehouse is divided into two parts. Okay, that is ETL and reporting. Okay, so we'll be seeing about ETL tools. What are the different types, different ETL tools in market? Informatica, Power Center, SAS, okay, Splunk, Ab Initio, ODI, Oracle Data Integrator, Talend, Pentaho, okay, SAP BO, SSIS, SQL Server Integration Services, Data Stage. Informatica Power Center is belong to Informatica Corporation. Okay, Data Stage belong to IBM. Oracle Data Integrated is belong to Oracle. SSIS is belong to Microsoft. Like that, we have different ETL tools. Okay, ETL is a concept. By using any tool, we can achieve ETL. We can achieve the concepts of ETL. Okay, that is called ETL. Now inside Informatica, okay, so Informatica is a software company. Again, it is a company that is called Data Integration Company. The headquarters is in US. In India, the headquarters is in Bangalore, CV Ramanagar. Okay, if you have seen it, okay, it is backside of Domino's in CV Ramanagar. Okay, I have seen it. I went to Informatica Corporation also. It is a product-based company. Informatica is a product-based company. Okay, they have first invented Informatica Power Center. Okay, after that they designed many tools. Okay, so few of them are, there are many tools. Than this also there are many tools. Few of them are Informatica Power Center. We are learning now, and we have Informatica Cloud. Informatica ILM means Information Lifecycle Management, and BDM, Big Data Management, MDM, Informatica Master Data Management, IDQ, Informatica Data Quality, TDM, Test Data Management. All these things are belongs and developed by Informatica Corporation. Okay, so this is about the different tools in Informatica. The different tools inside, that means the different tools belongs to Informatica. In all these tools, Informatica Power Center is the basics. Okay, so to learn Informatica Cloud, you should know Informatica Power Center. Without knowing Informatica Power Center, you cannot learn Informatica Cloud. To work on Informatica MDM, you should know Informatica Power Center. Okay, without knowing Informatica Power Center, you cannot work on TDM, you cannot work on MDM also. Okay, so Power Center is the basics. If you know Power Center, you can work on anything. You can work on anything means you should get some idea. So that is easy to work on it for you. Okay, that is about Informatica Corporation. Okay, now we will come to yeah, please. Go ahead.
I have one question. As you said that ETL is a concept, okay, and you shown some tools which are in the market now, like Informatica, SAS, Oracle, Pentaho, etc. So this training is going to help for Informatica tools only, right?
Yes.
So on that basis only, we are going to get a job.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes. So because we are learning Informatica Power Center, we'll be getting a job on Informatica Power Center as an Informatica developer. You will be Informatica developer after this training. Okay, that is how it will be. Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Any other doubts, please? Okay. Now, what is ETL process? ETL. What is ETL exactly? Okay. What is ETL exactly? ETL means extract, transform, and load. See, this diagram I already drawn on morning. That's why I'm not drawing again. It's waste of time. I'm showing you. Okay. So morning, whatever I repeat, the same morning, whatever I told, the same thing will be repeated in evening. Okay. So ETL means extract, transfer, and load. Okay, extract from where and load to where? Where we need to transform. What is transform? Those we need to learn. Okay, extract the data, read the data, analyze the data, get the data. All are similar words. All are similar words. If you say extract the data, if you say read the data, if you say analyze the data, if you say get the data, all these things are same. The same similarity terms. Okay. So from where we need to extract the data? We need to extract the data from a database or from a file or from an XML file, from an application, from a mainframe systems, whatever it is. Okay. We need to extract the data from these things. That extracting the data from one database is called, or one thing is called a source. We need to extract the data from source. Okay. We will call that as source. If you extract the source, if you extract the data from a database, that is called source database. If you extract the data from a file, that is called source file. If you extract the data from XML, that is called XML file. Okay. This is all about extracting. Extracting means what? Getting the data, taking the data, reading the data. Okay. And where we will load this data? Once we extract the data, where we will load this data? We will load into target. We will load into where? Target. Target is what? Target again a database. Okay. Target can be a database. It can be a file, can be XML file, can be application, can be a mainframe system, whatever it is. Okay. Whatever it is called a target. Okay. So extract from source and process the data to target. Okay. So while processing, we can change the data. Suppose we can change the data means, suppose we have a table having 100 records with the salary information. We have an employee table. All these things will be telling in depth. Okay, don't worry at all. We'll be telling in depth in the later point of session. Now I am giving overview of ETL. That's it. How to use ETL Informatica daily we will see. Okay. So what we will do? Suppose I have a table called 1000. Table having 100 records. That is called a source table. We extracted the data from the table and we transformed it. While transforming, what I will do? I will aggregate. I will take the sum of salary. Okay, sum of salary of this table. Okay, so that is called transforming the data. Suppose I have first name and last name coming from source table. What I will do? I will concatenate it. I will club. So first name and last name, I will send as a full name to target. Otherwise, I have two tables coming from source. I will join them and I will load into target. Okay, this is called transformation. Okay, before what we will do? We will get the data or we will extract the data from source. We will transform based on the business logic. Transform based on the business logic and we will load into target. We will load into target or load the data, process the data, send the data, write the data. All these are the similar terms. Okay. So we will load into database, target database or target file or target XML. Anything you can do it. Okay. So that is called source can also be called as a upstream. Source also can be called as a upstream. Target also can be called as a downstream. Okay. Upstream, we will take the data from upstream or we will take the data from source, transform it and load it to target or downstream. Send the data to downstream. That is called ETL. Okay. Before going to in-depth about ETL, what is OLTP, please, everybody? What is meant by OLTP?
Online transaction protocol.
Online transaction process.
Online transactional process. Okay. Okay. What is OLAP means? OLAP means?
Analog transaction process.
Online transactional processing. This is online transactional processing. Online transactional processing. Process, I can say. What is OLAP means?
Online transaction process.
Online analytical processing. Online analytical processing. Analytical processing. Okay. What is OLTP? What is OLAP? Any difference? Do you know any difference, please, in real time? Do you know any difference?
This is a daily transaction, OLTP, and OLAP is analyst transactions. So they had two types of data. One is the daily transaction. You have to transaction for every day. We have to manipulate data, OLTP, but we can OLAP use only for the analyze process. We can use it.
Okay.
OLTP will work for the daily basis data, and for OLAP, we are working on historical data.
Okay. Any other doubts? Any other?
Correct me if I'm wrong. In terms of application, I guess OLTP is being used in banking sector on daily basis, daily transactions like salary, account, transaction, like that. And then OLAP maybe be using in education system, I guess. That is
okay, fine. I got your point. Okay, now suppose if you go to online transaction processing, the transactions on the daily basis, transactions, suppose you go to ICICI Bank, okay, you want to deposit 10,000 rupees in the ICICI Bank today. Suppose a guy, I went to ICICI Bank today, that is 15th of October. I went to ICICI Bank. I given 10,000 to cashier. Okay, so he will enter into system, right? He will be having a system. He will enter into the system. Okay, where it will go? He will enter 10,000 and he will take 10,000. Where the 10,000 rupees, where it will save? Where the 10,000 rupees will save?
Database. Master data.
Database. Okay, that means easy writing insert statement, insert into customer name. Will he write? The cashier will write this statement when you give 10,000 to him. You are saying it is saved in the table.
No.
So OLTP, when you give 10,000 to him, okay, when you click on save, okay, it will go to the table. You are saying table, how to load the table, how to insert the table by using insert into statement. That means easy writing insert into statement while you give 10,000. What he will do? Anybody please? What he will do when you give 10,000 to him?
Account number.
He will be having a front-end systems. Okay, front-end systems means. 1 second, please. So I don't know who is Amini. Okay, so what is the name, please? Okay, I'm not sure. Okay, fine. Okay, so what he will do is he will be having when you go to the bank, cashier will be opening a form in the website. A form will be opening. Okay. In that form, there are text boxes, there are buttons, all those things will be there. Okay, when you give your suppose my customer ID is 101. When you give 101, all the details it will show, and he will enter 10,000. He will click on save. Okay, that is called front-end application. Front-end application can be designed by using Java, .NET, XML, PHP, all those things. These technologies can be developed. Okay, when you click on save, internally this front-end application, what it will do? Internally, it will go and save in a database. It will go and save in a table. Okay, that is called OLTP. OLTP means online transactions processing. That means daily transactions will be putting in the table. That is called OLTP. Okay, OLTP. The example of OLTP is database. Example of OLTP is database. What is OLAP? OLAP means, okay, that means once we get the data in the table format, we will take that, we will do ETL, and we will generate the forms. Reports, we will generate the reports. Okay, we will generate the reports. How we will generate the reports? We will analyze that, like daily report, monthly report, yearly report. Okay, profit, India wise profit. Okay, suppose ICICI Bank, Bangalore wise how much profit, Bangalore wise how much sales. Okay, suppose Karnataka wise how much, Hyderabad wise, like that. Like that means geographical wise or time wise, all those things are called online analytical process. Okay, we are analyzing the data which is coming from OLTP, the database. Okay, and we will generate the reports top of that. That is called OLAP. Okay, OLAP is called data warehouse. OLAP, the example of OLAP is data warehouse. That is why what we will do in here, as I shown you here. Okay, as I shown you here. Okay, so always our source will be OLTP system. Okay, 90% our source will be OLTP system. Our target will be OLAP system. Okay, so our target, whatever we are storing, whatever we are loading the tables, that is the data warehouse tables. Okay, again, data warehouse is a collection of data marts. All those things I will be telling in the when I tell about data warehousing concepts. Okay. So now what I am saying, we will get the data from OLTP, process the data, and we will send the data to target. That is called OLAP. Okay. This is about ETL process: extract, transform, and load. Okay. Extract, transform, and load. If you see this, see ETL. ETL, it will extract from source system, transform it, and load it to destination. That is called data warehouse. And if you see here, this image, it can be a ERP system. A source can be a flat file. A source can be XML file. A source can be a database. Whatever it is, we will extract it and we will transform it and we will load into data warehouse. If you see this image, ETL, these are the source database. Source can be a database. Source can be a SQL Server database. Source can be a, these are all OLTP transactions. Like, as I shown you, OLTP transactions. We'll get the data. See, these are the bank people. For example, they are entering the transactions on the daily basis. Those will be stored in the table. Okay, that is called OLTP system. Okay, and we will extract the data. Okay, we will extract the data from all this data. One or all, we will extract it, transform it, and what are the transformations? Summarization, aggregation, integration, cleansing, duplication, conversion. All those things are called transformations. Okay, and we will load into data warehouse. From data warehouse, what they will do? They will generate the reports, or they will do data mining, or they will do data visualization. They will do OTL cube or OLAP cubes. Okay, all those things we don't matter. We, as a Informatica developer, what is our role is we take the data from source, we'll transform it, and we load it to target. That's it. That is your role. Okay, your role is not to analyze the data.
Raj,
yeah, please go ahead.
So OLAP is not loaded to the target.
OLAP, that's what. Again, OLAP is a, OLAP will call it as a data warehouse. Okay, whatever we are generating the target tables, that tables we will call it as OLAP. Okay, that means
so only so source systems only having the OLTP.
OLTP, yes. So the target system.
It's not possible for OLAP.
OLAP, no. 90%. Sometimes if you want to take it, suppose they want to take as data warehouse as source, they can take it. I'm not saying they will not take it, but 90% majority purpose, always OLTP is our source. Our target is data warehouse, and whatever we generate the target tables, they will analyze our target tables and they will generate the reports. Okay, that is how it will be. Okay, this is the ETL process: source, extract, transform, and load. This is about ETL. Any doubts in ETL, please? Any doubts in ETL? Guys, yes or no? Any doubts in ETL, please?
No.
No from my side.
Okay, next please. Okay, we'll go to next topic. 1 second. Okay, the next thing is next. So what Informatica will do here in ETL, what Informatica, by using Informatica, what and all we can do. Okay, the thing we can do is we can do data migration, we can do application integration, we can do data warehouse. Okay, all these three things can be doing by using Informatica Power Center. Number one, migration. Data migration means what? Migrate the data from one database to another database. Take the data from one database and put the data to another database. That is called data migration. These are all the technical terms. Ultimately, we will take the data from one table and we load into another table. That's it. Simple terms. They will call us data processing, data migration. Okay, all these the technical terms. That's it. Okay, we can migrate. Suppose they have an old database. You want to migrate the data from another database. That we can perform by using Informatica Power Center. Okay, they have application A, they have application B. They want to integrate the application A and B. For that also we can use Informatica Power Center. Majorly, we will be using this one, the middle one. Okay, we'll take the data from Oracle database or SAP database or SQL Server database or other database. 1 second, please. Yeah, sorry for that. Okay, so we'll take from data from all these database by using Informatica Power Center. We'll transform it and we'll load into data warehouse. We load into data warehouse. Okay, so this is about Informatica. Okay, next is what are the tools available in Informatica Power Center? What are the tools available in sorry guys, 1 second. Okay, what are the tools available in Informatica? Okay, same way, this is also same. So this is Informatica. From Informatica we can extract from the flat file, we can extract from the CSV file, we can extract from the table, and we'll transform it by using Informatica Power Center, and we'll load into a data warehouse. From there the reports will generate. That is about Informatica. Informatica, where we will use Informatica. Okay, now if I show you about what are all available in Informatica, what are all available in Informatica Power Center. So now in Informatica Power Center there are two types of tools. One is client tool, one is server tool. Okay, there are few client tools and few server tools. Okay, what are the client tools we have available in Informatica? We have Power Center Designer. PC means Power Center. Okay, Power Center Designer, Workflow Manager, Workflow Monitor, Repository Manager we will be having. Okay, so and server tools. What are the server tools we have? Domains, nodes, repository service, integration service. All those are the server tools. Server tools will be handling by Informatica admin. Okay, server tools will be handling by Informatica admin. Client tools will be handled by Informatica developer. As we are all Informatica developers, we will work only these four: Power Center Designer, Workflow Manager, Workflow Monitor, Repository Manager. Okay, so we will be working on only 4 tools in Informatica. Okay, in Informatica Power Center we will be having 4 tools. What are those 4 tools? Power Center Designer, Workflow Manager, Workflow Monitor, Repository Manager. Okay, these are the 4 tools available in Informatica Power Center. Okay, and we have server tools also. Those server tools are all handled by Informatica admin. Okay, but we should know how server will work. Informatica server, like Informatica architecture, we should know how Informatica architecture will work. Okay, we'll be discussing about Informatica architecture now. Before that, any doubts, please? Before going to Informatica architecture, any doubts? Before going to Informatica architecture, any doubts, please? Okay, fine. We'll go to Informatica architecture. As I told you, Informatica, while you are installing Informatica, first you will install server tools. Whoever already installed, they may have seen these things. Okay, they may have created the domain, they may have created the repository service, they may have created the integration service. Okay, after that they could have installed client tools. Once you install client tools, how the client tools look like is, if you go to start Informatica 10.2.0. When you click on Informatica 10.2.0, there we have here whatever I am saying, right? Client tools: Power Center Designer, Repository Manager, Workflow Manager, Workflow Monitor. Okay, Workflow Monitor. These are the 4 Power Center tools. When I click on one, Power Center Designer will open. Okay, Informatica Power Center Designer will open. Okay, it will open like this. It is opening. Let it be. Let it open. Informatica Power Center version 10.2.0. It will open now. Okay, it is open. This is how it looks like. Okay, this is where we will work on. Okay, and you are seeing here some repositories you are seeing. Okay, different types of repositories you are seeing. Okay, when you connect to any repository, it will connect it. When you connect to any repository, it will ask user ID and password. I will tell in detail about all these things. Don't worry, I will tell in detail about these things. Okay, so when you give connect, it will connect it. It will connect it and it will show like this. Under the repository, we'll be having different folders. Under the folders, we have sources, targets, maplets, mappings. Okay, worklets, workflows, tasks, sessions. All those things will be there. Okay, we'll be discussing everything in the later point of time. Okay, now we'll go for Informatica architecture. Okay, if I tell about Informatica architecture, I want to show you one picture. Okay, 1 second. 1 second, please. Oh, here it is there, no? Correct. I forgot. See, if you see this slide, power center architecture, okay? So we have different types of sources. We have different types of targets. Sources can be a standard messaging web services, packaged applications, flat files, or relational tables, or mainframes, okay? Targets can be also a standard messaging service, packaged applications, relational flat files, or mainframes. What it will do, it will take our client tools, designer, workflow manager, repository manager, workflow manager, or workflow monitor. What it will do, it will take this and it will process the data. How it will process the data? By using like this, okay? So Informatica is a Informatica, okay? Whatever we are using in Informatica, those are called Informatica objects. Informatica objects. What are Informatica objects? You are seeing under the repository, right? You are seeing here under repository, folders, okay, sources, targets, cubes, dimensions, transformations, maplets, mappings, okay, or tasks, workflow, sessions, connections. All these are called Informatica objects, okay? All these are called Informatica objects. What are Oracle objects? Anybody know what are Oracle objects? First of all, Oracle, okay, normally any database or Oracle database is divided into, I'll show you. Okay, Oracle database is having collection of schemas, okay? Schema or user, both are same. Okay, Oracle is a collection of schemas. Okay, Oracle is collection of schema. What is a schema? A schema is a collection of database objects. A schema is a collection of database objects. What are the database objects you are seeing, right? Tables, views, indexes, packages, procedures, functions. All these are called database objects. Okay, whatever you are seeing here, right? All these are called schemas. A schema is a, without schema, Oracle will not work. Okay, at least one schema should be there. Under that schema, tables will present. Under that schema, tables will present. So Oracle is collection of schemas. Okay, schema is a collection of Oracle objects. The objects are tables, views, indexes, synonyms, queries, okay, triggers, procedures, sequences. All those things are called database objects or Oracle objects. Okay, same way we have Informatica objects. Okay, what are Informatica objects? Okay, the Informatica objects can be a folder, can be a can be a source, can be a target, can be a maplet, can be a transformation, can be a mapping. All these things are called Informatica objects. Okay, now in Informatica, okay, we have different repositories. Okay, repository is a centralized storage system. Okay, repository is a centralized storage system which contains all the Informatica objects. All the Informatica objects will stored under repository. So these are the repositories. If you see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, there are 4 repositories we have. Okay, there are 4 repositories we have. Okay, under these repositories, Informatica objects will save. Okay, while you install Informatica, what it will happen is, okay, while you install Informatica, okay, you will be creating a repository service. You will be creating a repository service. Suppose when you go to Informatica client, you created a source. When you save it, the repository service, it is a server tool. The repository service will enable and it will take the name from the client, Power Center client, and it will save under repository tables. Okay, repository having system Informatica predefined tables. There it will store as a metadata. What is metadata, please? What is metadata?
Data about data.
Data about data is correct. That is the definition. But what does that mean? Data about data means?
Maybe raw data.
Raw data means? What does that mean? Raw data means? Structure. Metadata means structure. Suppose structure will not contain any data, please. Okay, structure will be like name of the table, name of the field, primary key, foreign key, not null. That is called structure. Okay, what it will do, okay, when you save anything in the Informatica client tools, suppose you created a source, you created a mapping, otherwise you created a mapping by using Informatica Power Center client tool. That is called Informatica Power Center Designer. Okay, when you save it, Informatica service, Informatica repository service, okay, will enable, and it will take the name of the mapping, okay, name of the mapping and structure of the mapping, and it will save under Informatica repository. Okay, those are called metadata tables. Okay, while you are installing Informatica, okay, Informatica will be creating predefined tables. Those are called metadata tables or Informatica system tables. Okay, when you save anything, when you create it and when you save anything in the Power Center client, okay, what it will do, it will enable repository service, will enable repository service will take the data from, data means what, structure, it will take the structure from the client tool and it will save under Informatica metadata tables. Okay, in the form of metadata it will save. That is called repository service. Repository service plays the major role here. Okay, next, what is integration service? Normally what we will do by using Informatica, what we will do, we have a source table called SRC tab 1. We have a target table called TGT tab 1. Okay, TGT tab 1. What it will do? Okay, what it will do? Suppose in source table we have 100 records. In target table we have empty. Target table is empty. Now I want to send the data, these 100 records. Okay, these 100 records I want to send to target table. Okay, so what I will do by using Informatica, I will analyze the source. I will get the data from the SRC tab 1 and I will do the transformation and I will load into target table 1. That means all the 100 records will come to this one. Okay, how it will come? Okay, normally in Informatica will be created by jobs. In Informatica we will create the jobs. When you run a job, the data processing will happen, the data movement. It will take the data from source, it will process it, it will transform it, and it will load into target. Okay, who will take care of this job? Saving job. Okay, when you create a source or when you create a target, the metadata will store in the repository by using Informatica repository service. But okay, who will take the data processing? Who will take the data processing? Integration service. Okay, any ETL tool, without integration service, no ETL tool will be there. Okay, so integration service is very important. Integration service, what it will do? Suppose if I run one workflow, suppose if I run a job, we'll think about Informatica jobs. Okay, we'll create a one job and we will run the job. If I run the job, what it will do? Where we will run the job? In the client tools itself. Whatever we are doing, creating the job, running the job, all those things will be done by client tools only. Informatica client tools only. When you run a job, what it will do? First, repository service will enable. It will take the information from client tools and it will give the information to integration service. That means there is no direct link between integration service to client. There is a relationship between, first what it will do, when you run a job, repository service will take the job name, okay, and it will give the integration service name. Boss, somebody are running a workflow, running a job, you please take care of it, and it will give a intimation to integration service. Internally, repository service will give an intimation to integration service. Integration service, what it will do? It will process the data row by row. Suppose 100 records are there in the source. All the 100 records at a time, it will not go to target. Informatica integration service always process the records row by row. This is very important, please. Okay, it will always process the records row by row. Okay, so by using integration service, what it will do? It will process the data from source to target. Okay, row by row. First record will enter to the transformation, transform it, load the data to the target. Second record, like that. Row by row, it will process the data. So that is called integration service. Okay, here there are two services: repository service, integration service. Repository service, what it will do? Okay, it will, when you save in the client tool, it will save the data and save in the repository. Okay, in the form of metadata tables. When you run a job, okay, in repository service again enables, and it will take the information from client tools and it will give the information to integration service. That time integration service will enable, and integration service will enable, and it will process the data from source to target row by row, row by row. That is called Informatica integration service. Okay, this is about Informatica Power Center architecture. Any doubts, please? Did you understand at least what is repository service, what is integration service? Did you understand, please?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubts on Power Center architecture? Any doubts on Power Center architecture, please? Anybody? Make the session interactive, okay? Like only I will be speaking, you will be on mute. It should not be like that. If you have any doubts, you can clarify. No problem. Okay, I like the people who ask the doubts. Okay. Any doubts, please? No?
No, Raj.
Okay. Okay. So next we'll be discussing in depth about Informatica Power Center client tools. Okay. So we'll be having, as I told you, there are 4 types of client tools. One is Informatica Designer, that is called D. You can run from here. So you can start from here. You can click on D. R means repository manager, W means main workflow manager, M means workflow manager. You can, otherwise, if you open any one, here there are 4 things available: repository manager, designer, workflow manager, monitor. You can click on any one. If you click on one, it will open other one. Like that also you can click it. Under each Informatica Power Center Designer, what are the things we have will be explaining in the detail in detail in the later point of sessions. Okay. So what I'm saying is, till 25th, that means till next weekend, the classes will be slow. Okay, slow means people will be joining. Okay, people will be joining because today's festival, many people not joined. Okay, that's why I'm not covering much. Okay, otherwise I could have finished GDL, DML, DCL commands also. Okay, so but I wanted to start on this day, that's why I started. Okay, so in the tomorrow, day after tomorrow, there will be no classes. Next is on Monday. Okay, so whoever not installed Informatica, please try to install by Sunday night. Okay, please try to install. And if it is, see, the common mistake you are doing is you have already Informatica and Oracle, you are not uninstalling it and you are installing it. That is why the problems will come. So uninstall it completely, delete the folders, restart your machine, then you go for fresh installation, it will succeed. Okay, so if you didn't get Informatica installation link on my video, okay, you please WhatsApp me. I will send the details to you. Okay, and based on that you can install. Whoever stuck for the Informatica installation, I will help them. Okay, that is how our training goes. Okay, so until 25th it will be slow. After 25th, weekly 6 days for sure. I'll take weekly 6 days. Okay, so that will be like morning and evening, weekly 6 days. If I take any holiday based on my work on weekdays, I'll take 2 days in weekend. I take 2 days. Otherwise, I will give Sunday holiday. But the thing though I wanted from you is you should be installing everybody. Okay, if you want to get a job as soon as possible, if you want to learn Informatica as soon as possible, you should practice them. You should get install Informatica by Sunday night at least. Okay, so you should get the installation done by Sunday night. Okay, so please install it. Okay, please install it as soon as possible. If you have any doubts while installing, you ping me. Today I was busy. Okay, that's why I'm unable to help few people. But you ping me after this. I'll be surely helping you. We'll finish the installation. Okay, for that time I'm giving the time. Okay, so next class will be on Monday, same time, morning 9:30, evening 7:30. Okay. See, if you missed on morning session, you can join evening session. If you missed on evening session, you can join morning session. Morning, whatever I tell, the same thing will be repeated in evening. Okay, you can join any session. I don't have any issue. Okay, because of the flexibility, because few people are working, they can't join morning. Few people are working, they can't join in evening. Okay, so that is the purpose. I made it 2 classes. Okay, so that is how our training will go. Okay, so like, how is my explanation? Like, is it understandable? Is it understandable, my explanation? Am I going fast?
No, sir, it is understandable.
Yeah, it's good.
So are you able to understand what I'm saying?
Yeah, it's fine.
Fine, sir.
Yes,
So the thing is, number 2 things, okay, here. See, if anybody knows Informatica already and they joined in my training, and if he get a job, that is not my specialty. That is its own hard work. But if anybody got to my training who knows, you don't know anything, and if he get a job, that is my specialty. Okay, that is how I will think, that I will think all my candidates don't know anything. Okay, I will think like that and I will tell from scratch. Okay, and one more thing is, if I get the best training, okay, and if you don't practice, you will not get the job. If you practice well, if I don't get the good training, best training, you will not get the job. it will be two-way. I will be giving good training. You should practice well. Then only you will succeed. Otherwise, you will not succeed, please. Okay. So I'm seeing many people, okay, from first batch to fifth batch. First batch people are very good. Okay, they were very hardworking. They did the hard work. They did practice. They got all people got the jobs. Almost all 25 people got the jobs. I guess I'm thinking. Okay, 1 or 2 I missed out maybe, but everybody got the jobs. Okay. So, but second and third batches, they are not so much interested. Okay, yes, there are people who are interested, but I want everybody to get the interest. At least 50% should get interest. Okay, they should practice well. Okay, after this session, you send your timings to my WhatsApp. You send your timings daily basis. This time to this time, I am free. Okay, and if you want your friends to be included in this, your friends means who are in the batch, who are in our batch. Suppose 2 people, 3 people joined as a batch in our training, right? If you want that guy to be in your batch, then you tell me. I will put it in that group. Okay, so take the help from others. Okay, and practice well. Okay, put a team building. Okay, work in a team. Okay, interact with others. Interact in English so that your communication skills will improve. Team building will improve. Everything will be improved, and you will be perfect when you go to the project. Okay, that's why morning session timings will be 9:30 to 11:30. 9:30 to 11:30. Okay, evening session 7:30 to 9:30. 7:30 to 9:30.
Is there any difference with the Informatica versions like 9.6.1?
No, there are differences are there, but almost all same only. What in the works perspective, same only. In the works perspective, same.
Actually, I was installed with the 9.6.1 and it is working fine. Do I need?
No, don't install, please. Don't uninstall, please.
Let it be.
Let it be. Okay, let it be.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
If you don't install anything, then install 10.2. Okay. Okay.
Already I have installed and it's running fine. That's why I'm just asking.
No, don't uninstall it, please.
Is there any much difference with the version?
No, not much difference. Okay. So just simple differences will be there, but that can be ignored. Still, in my office, I am working in 9.6.1 only. Many people are working 9.6.1 in their office. Few people, they are upgraded to 10.2.0. Okay. Few people are upgraded to 10.5.0 also.
Okay.
So that is not a problem. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Any other doubts, please? Any other doubts?
Sir, I also have Informatica 9. Hello.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Hello.
Yes. Go ahead.
Sir, I also have installed the 9.0.1.
Okay, fine. Let it be. No issue.
So it may be your.
No. Let it be. No problem. Yeah. Any other questions, please? Any other questions?
No.
Fine. So are you good with my? So are you able to understand my training? I hope all. Okay.
Yes,
after
sir.
1 week, I will ask you again. Every people. Okay. So you should give the correct feedback about from me. Normally I ask everybody in all batches. Okay. So that's fine. No problem. The only thing I wanted is.
Will you send? Will you send Zoom link at daily basis?
Yeah, for 2 weeks. Until 2 weeks, I will be sending. Until 25th, I will be sending the Zoom link on daily basis. Okay. So you check your Gmail IDs. If it is morning batch, means you check before day only. If it is evening batch, means you check your email at 5 o'clock, please. Don't check at 7:30, please. Okay. Still I can send. But ultimately it will disturb to all. Okay. 7:30 if you send me means I need to open email ID. I need to send you all those things. So please always check your email IDs in the 5 o'clock evening. And morning people you can check before today. Tomorrow 9:30 means today you can see at night, or tomorrow morning at least 8 o'clock. You please check it out and you please ping me if you don't get it. I will send it to you. Okay. And I will be sending all those things on the daily basis. I'll be sending the notes, whatever we are seeing, PPTs, XML files, all those things. Okay. You never expected whatever you will expect. I will send more than that. Simple. Okay. You will see that. Okay. So that is how our training will be. Don't worry. It is very easy when you practice it. That's it.
Hi Raj,
I
Shankar this side.
Ah.
Yes, if I join the morning shift, so if I miss that shift, can I join the evening?
That's what I'm saying, right? You can join anyone, anything.
No, I mean, if I continue the morning shift, so one of the days, so I have missed the morning session, so can same day can I?
Yeah, you can join. Yeah.
Okay.
You join, I don't have any issues based on your timing. That's why I made 2 no. So I don't have any issues. Okay, see, I'll be telling the training morning 2 hours, evening 2 hours. I don't have any issues. Okay, but why? Because I given this. Okay, because based on your timings, you can join. Anything is fine.
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
I had one question. You said that you will be sending the video recording of the session for first 7 days, right? Okay, because we understood, like I understood the concept today, but it's all very new. So I was thinking that I would like to go once again over this session to like, yeah. Okay, yeah.
That's what I'm saying. Okay, I have seen. Okay, I have seen. If I send the video, number one, it can be. See, I'm not saying you people will misuse. Somehow, if it goes out, means you check any YouTube video, you check Informatica. Nobody will explain 2 hours. Number one. If many people are waiting for my videos, okay, many people, you don't know, many people, they wanted to sell my videos. You are seeing, right, in Facebook, okay, I have videos of real time, I can give it for 500, 600. If it goes like that, ultimately I will be sufferable. Okay, so for that one, what I am saying is I will give for 1 to 7. After that, you will easily understand. I will send the XML file of the mapping. By seeing that mapping also, you can easily do it. Okay.
Yeah, that makes perfect sense, because initial few days will be difficult.
Yes, difficult. That's what
once
I'm saying.
We get the hold of it,
once you get familiar with the tool, then you can easily do. You have to do individually. Okay, when you see the video and do it, there is no use at all. Okay, because when you go to real-time project, nobody will send you the video and nobody will ask you to do it. Okay, they will send a mapping document and you have to do it. That's it. Okay, you have to. I will make you to understand a mapping document. Okay, I will make you to understand the requirements. Then how you will implement all these things will be telling. Okay, I'll be having every topic, I'll be having a mapping document. Normally in real time, we'll be getting a mapping document. Okay, how the requirements will be getting, you will getting a mapping document wise like this. If I show you, okay, suppose one second, please. Suppose lookup transformation. Okay, we'll be having a mapping document for that. Okay, so first we will be explaining about the requirements. You understand the requirements first. Okay, you understand the requirements, then we'll go to the mapping. After that, I will explain about the PPT. Okay, normally every training directly they will explain PPT, they will do the mapping. Okay, without knowing the topic, if you explain the PPT 100 times also, you don't understand it. Okay, so my training will be reverse, like this. Every day we'll be discussing one mapping document. Okay, mapping document, this is what we will get in the real time. Okay, so we'll explaining the mapping document first, we'll understanding the requirement. Okay, and we will do the mapping in front of you. I will show you how to do the mapping. Then I will be explaining the PPT. Okay, about lookup, if you see the lookup PPT. Okay, after explaining the mapping and all, the lookup PPT will be there. Okay, like this, the PPT will be there. Everything will be there in the PPT. Okay, interview questions, important interview questions, everything will be there in the PPT. Okay, so if you have my PPTs, you can easily get the job. Okay, by reading my PPTs at least. Okay, that is how the training goes. Okay, so no worries. The only one request is don't send to anyone. That's it. Don't share it to anywhere. That's it. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah. Any other doubts, please? Any other doubts?
No, sir.
No?
No,
Half clear?
no.
Everybody?
No. No.
Okay then. Fine then. Okay. Please
Sorry
install.
to interrupt you. So what about the ETL testing? You will give any brief about it?
ETL testing, why you require? I will tell unit testing. Okay. Developer need to do unit testing. Why you want to?
Yeah. What I mean is, I'm just joined in some company, so there it is a testing project I went. I'm going working. So that is too difficult to me to understand what's going on. Every session where every script and every step getting failed, I'm not able to understand. So that's why
But
I'm
ETL
asking.
testing, no, I can say no, because ETL testing is a different role. Okay, we'll be having different roles. We are ETL developers. We will not do ETL testing. Okay,
Yeah.
and I don't have any experience on ETL testing. Number one. Okay. So because I'm not sure what they will be doing. Okay. Previously they were doing queries and all, now they are automated tools they are using. Every company using different tools. Okay. I'm not sure.
I'm here to learn Informatica developer only. I'm just
I got your point. Yeah, I got your point. But I don't have experience and I don't want to tell the wrong things to you. Okay. If I telling means that will be perfect. That's it. Okay. It should not be wrong. So because I don't have any ETL testing, I cannot cover ETL testing, please. Okay.
Thank you.
Developer point of view, whatever you wanted, I will give that. Okay. But not the testing, but not the admin. Okay. That is how.
Thank you.
Yeah. Any other doubts, please? Any other doubts? So fine. If you don't have any doubts, so please install Informatica. If you don't install Informatica, if you don't get the links from me, okay, you please text me. I will send the links. Okay. You please install it by Monday. You please come with fresh mind. Okay. Leave your all worries. I don't know. I don't have communication skill. I don't have Informatica knowledge. I don't have Oracle knowledge. Leave about all these things. I'm going for a fake for 2+ experience, 3+ experience. No problem. Okay. You will easily get it. You will get the jobs. Okay. So come with a fresh mind. Then we'll take it from Monday. Okay. Fine. Monday, the practical sessions will start. Okay. So from Monday, your laptop should be installed Informatica. Otherwise, one by one, see, Monday, if you're unable to practice, then Tuesday, again, one more thing. Wednesday, one more. Like that, the piling up, all the mappings you should be missing. Okay. Then after 10 days, you will be practicing 10 mappings. After 10 days, you will lose interest. Okay. So that is why, anyway, we have 2 days holiday. You please do it in these 2 days. Okay. Any other doubts, please?
No, sir.
Yeah. Okay, then. See you on Monday.
No, sir.
Happy
Yes,
Dasra to all. Happy weekend.
Happy Dasra, sir.
Happy Dasra,
Thank
sir.
you. Wish you the same.
Thank you all. Bye bye. See you.
Thank you, sir.
Good night. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, Raj.
Yeah. Bye. Good night.
Good night, sir.
Bye.